Chadwick here from CIC Beauty, co-founder along with Igor. We believe if you change the way you think, change the way you do, you can change the way you look. We are science behind beauty. And with that science, I want to talk to you about cryotherapy, Subzero Cryotherapy treatments for the hair. They're a great way to introduce the process of treating, cultivating, and grooming the most healthiest head of hair in the salon. That is the future. It's no longer about the face shape. It's no longer about the length. It's no longer about the color. It's about the healthiest head of hair that you groom and cultivate. And if you're not doing this, you are a dinosaur in the salon. Having said that, if you know anything about cryotherapy, it has been known to help cancer patients who have gone through chemo regrow their hair. It is used for patients who have anxiety. It cools the surface of the skin. That removes, releases, reduces the anxiety levels with people. We're adopting those techniques, those philosophies, and using it in the world of hair care. We're going to freeze hyaluronic acid into the cortex of the hair. The cortex is the base. It can be used in several ways. It can be used as a treatment. It can be used in your hair color. It can be used in your relaxers. What does that mean? No compromisation. The base, the pigment of the color is in the cortex. If we go and restore that, when you apply this to your colors, you will lock in, anchor the colors. If we do that with the relaxers, if we do that with the straighteners, you will not get compromised hair, meaning the hair's integrity is in place. If you simply use it as a treatment alone, you will freeze hyaluronic acid into the cortex. It will draw 1,000 times its weight molecularly in structure to it, meaning it will be hydrated, it will be moisturized, and it will continually look good. Think about it this way. If I give you a curling iron or a flat iron and I ask you to touch it, you won't. Because it's hot, because it will burn you. Why are you putting that on your hair? You get my point? In a very cold environment, hair always does better. It styles better, it looks better, it stays longer. These are the concepts that we are approaching and we're developing and building. Cryotherapy, Subzero. Subzero Cryotherapy. It's where you want to be. Otherwise, you're a dinosaur in the salon.